Give thanks to Allah for the moon and the stars. Praise Him all day for what is and what was.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أحباب الطلاب، أتمنى تكونوا بخير وصحة وسعادة. Welcome in the second episode of our program Amazing Geometry. Our topic today will be drawing triangle. So the question is how to draw triangle. To draw triangle you have three ways. The first way is to draw triangle if you know the length of three sides. The second way is to draw triangle if you know the length of two sides and the measure of the included angle between them. The third way is to draw triangle if you know measures of two angles and the length of the side joining between them. So if you want to draw triangle you have three ways. One of them is to draw triangle if you know the length of its three sides. The second way is to draw triangle if you know the length of two sides and the measure of the included angle between them. The third way is to draw triangle if you know the measures of two angles and the side joining between these two angles. Now let's go to the geometric tools of this lesson. Today inshallah we will use compass and protractor, sure, beside the ruler. The compass consists of two arms. One of them is the pen, the second is the pencil. Now let's go to our first exercise. He said draw triangle ABC of length of AB equal 8 cm, length of BC equal 10 cm, and length of AC equal 7 cm. My advice is to start by drawing the longest side. This problem is on the first case. You need to draw triangle if you know the length of its three sides. So my advice is to start by drawing the longest side using ruler, and then you will continue by the compass to draw the other two sides. So our geometric tools will be ruler and compass. Now we will use the ruler to draw the longest side, which is 10 cm, the side BC. Don't forget to write the letter B and letter C and the length 10 cm. Bring the compass and open it from 0 to 8. To draw arc from B, then change the open of the compass from 0 to 7 and draw another arc from C. These two arcs will intersect at one point. This point will be the third point of the triangle, which is the point A. Then using the ruler draw line segment BA, and also using ruler draw line segment CA. Don't forget to write the letter A and the length 7 cm and the length 8 cm. Finished. Now let's go to the second exercise. He said draw triangle XYZ of length of XY equal 8 cm, length of YZ equal 7 cm, and measure of angle Y equal 60 degrees. This exercise is on the second case of drawing triangle. You know the length of two sides and the measure of the included angle. To draw this triangle, my advice to you is to start by the side XY, which is the longest side. Draw it using your ruler. After that you will use protractor to draw the angle 60 degrees and also ruler. Your tools, ruler and protractor, start by drawing the side XY using the ruler 8 cm, then bring the protractor and from 0 of protractor to 60 degrees put a black point and draw line from Y to the direction of this point 60 degrees, and the length of this line will be 7 centimeter, because he said that y z equal 7 centimeter. 60 degree, 7 centimeter. You need only to draw line segment XZ to finish the problem. This is the third side of the triangle. Done. We have finished. Now let's go to the third exercise. He said draw triangle ABC of length of AB equal 10 centimeter, measure of angle A equal 50 degree, measure of angle B equals 70 degree. This problem is on the third case of drawing triangle. You know the measure of two angles, and also you know the length of the side joining between these two angles. In this case, you will start by drawing the longest side or the unique side, which is AB. You will draw it using the ruler. Then you will bring the protractor to draw angle A and angle B. So our geometric tools are ruler and protractor. Using ruler, draw the side AB 10 centimeter. Don't forget to write A and B, the letters A and letter B, and the distance 10 centimeter. Bring the protractor, put the center of the protractor on letter A to draw the angle 50 from 0 to 50, and then you will draw a long side from A to the direction of the fixed point. Long side. Bring the protractor again and draw point from 0 to 70 degrees, the second angle. Draw another line from B to the direction of the black point to draw long line to intersect the first line. These two lines will intersect at a point, which is the point C. We have angle 50, we have angle 70. The problem is finished. Now let's go to exercise 4, the last exercise. He said draw triangle XYZ of length of XY equal 8, measure of angle X equal 30, measure of angle Y equal 120. This problem is on the third case also, because we have the measures of two angles and the length of unique side. But the difference is we have an acute angle and an obtuse angle. Now we will start by the side 8 centimeter, the unique side. Don't forget to write X and Y, the length 8 centimeter. Bring the protractor 30 degree from X. Draw long side from X to the direction of the black point. Long side. That's good. Bring the protractor again at Y. The angle will be 120 degree. Draw another long side. The two sides must intersect at a point. This point will be the third point of the triangle, which is the point Z. 120 degree. We have finished. كده الحمد لله خلصنا الحلقة بتاعتنا. أتمنى تكونوا بخير وصحة، وأتمنى تكونوا فهمتوا، وأراكم إن شاء الله بإذن الله في حلقات قادمة.